Hello students, let us discuss with this new concept friction in machine. Before we have studied ideal machine. The ideal machine is that where output is equal to input. That means how much input we are providing, we are getting the same 100% output. But in actual practice, this is not the case. There is always present external disturbances like friction, where we can lost effort or load lost in that friction. So, we have to now discuss what is the effort lost in friction or load lost in friction. For that, we have to first discuss ideal effort. Ideal effort means what? The effort which you need if friction is not there at all. Only this is a consideration. It is not the case we can minimize the friction, as in case of just I have given you example of carom board. We can reduce the friction, not eliminate. So, for ideal effort, for an ideal machine, there is no friction considering this condition, that is Ma is equal to Vr, mechanical advantage is equal to velocity ratio, or Ma is nothing but W upon P. Here we will take Pi, that is ideal effort. So, W upon Pi is equal to Vr, where Pi is ideal effort, or Pi is equal to W upon Vr. This is our step 1. I will write down there. This is equation 1. As Pi is P ideal, but actual effort is always greater than the ideal effort. Why? Because some effort will be lost in friction and all other unwanted forces. So, P is greater than P ideal, or therefore, effort lost in friction Pf is equal to the greater quantity minus smaller one, P minus P ideal. But above in equation 1, we have find out Pi. So, putting that Pi in this equation, P minus Pi. Therefore, Pf is equal to P minus W upon Vr. So, this is important equation. You have to write down this equation in your list of formulae. Okay. Similarly, there is ideal load and load lost in friction. Considering the situation when there is no friction at all, then load will be minimum. Okay. So, ideal load, we will discuss this ideal load concept. Let Wi be the ideal load that can be lifted by an effort P with ideal machine, that is no friction at all. In that case, Ma is equal to Vr. So, Wi, what is Wi? Similar to Pi, it is W ideal upon P is equal to Vr. So, Wi is equal to P into Vr. This is ideal load, but in practice, W ideal should be greater than W. Therefore, load lost in friction Wf is equal to Wi minus W. Therefore, Wf is equal to P into Vr in bracket minus W. P into Vr, this is our step 1. I will write down here equation 1. So, Wf is equal to P into Vr minus W. This is what is required equation. You have to write down load lost in friction Wf is equal to P into Vr in bracket minus W. Now, let us solve an example. Yesterday we have solved this in our online class, but for your understanding I will solve this here. Take down example. In a simple lifting machine, a load of 1400 Newton is lifted by 50 Newton effort. While load moves up by 0.2 meter, the point of application of effort moves by 6 meter. Find 1 MA, 2 VR and 3 efficiency. Now, before solving this, we must have ready in hand list of formulae. MA, we know that W upon P, that is load upon effort. So, let us write down given data. W is equal to 1400 Newton, that is load. Effort P is 50 Newton. Distance moved by load X equal to 0.2 meter. Distance moved by effort Y is equal to 6 meter. So, from our list of formulae, MA is equal to W upon P, 1400 upon 50, that is 28. MA having no unit, so we will just write down 28. This is a quantity. Now, VR. Again refer list of formulae, distance moved by effort upon distance moved by load, Y upon X. How to remember these two formulae? At both the places alphabetically reverse order is there, that is W is first in MA and then P. Here Y is first and upon X. So, Y upon X 6 upon 0.2 is equal to 30. Now, percentage efficiency, three quantities we have to calculate. Percentage efficiency MA upon VR into 100 or else output upon input into 100, MA upon VR into 100. So, 28 upon 30 into 100, 93.33. Now, suppose if we put the wrong quantity 30 upon 28 into 100, then that comes out to be more than 100. Remember, efficiency is never more than 100. So, you have to be cautious while calculating efficiency, it should be less than 100. MA upon VR into 100, 28 by 30 into 100, 93.33. Take down assignment, calculate many, solve such 5 problems of the same nature. Till now, we have studied MA, VR, efficiency, load lost in friction, effort lost in friction. So, you may solve 5 problems, send me on my WhatsApp number, then only your attendance for this lecture will be considered. Thank you.